We are having another cycle which is cellular respiration of protein and fats through where the energy will be getting released. So this process occur when there is no sugar is present. Okay, there is enough sugar is not present. Okay, so the other organic compound is basically used like protein and fats for the releasing of the energy. So like we are having the other compound, we are having a protein, carbohydrate and fats. Okay, as you guys all know that protein we are having the amino acid make the protein. We are having the carbohydrate, that is a monosaccharide. Carbohydrate, we are having a monosaccharide, and from monosaccharide the glucose actually occur, as you guys all know. And from the glucose we have discussed that we are having the product of the, you can say, the Krebs cycle. We were having the phosphoglyceraldehyde. This was the, you can say that there was the product that is G3P, as you guys all know. So in the next video we have discussed in the previous video that we were having a pyruvate by the glycolysis, and that pyruvate was basically used in the Krebs cycle and to form the acetyl coenzyme A. As you guys all know, fats, we have discussed that in fats will basically break down into the glycerol and fatty acid. Okay, we've discussed this many times by the hydrolyze process. Okay, so glycerol basically attached with the phosphoglyceraldehyde, and fats basically attached with the, that basically change into the acetyl coenzyme A, and glycerol change into the phosphoglyceraldehyde. If we talk about the amino acid, so if we talk about the amino acid, you can say that the structure. So we are having that radical. This is the COOH. This is the NH3, and there we are having the H. So this NH2, sorry. So this is what? This is the NH3. Okay, NH3. So here the deamination basically occur, which means the formation of the NH3. Okay, NH3 will basically move to the urea cycle. As you guys all know, urea cycle is called the ornithine cycle, where the NH3 basically converted into the urea, and that is excreted out from our body. That is called the ornithine cycle. Okay, and the this R and COOH basically is basically the, this is remain. So that basically attached with the pyruvate sometime, and that basically attached with the sometimes COOH and R. Basically R is the radical, okay, long chain. So this basically attached, sometime it attached with the pyruvate, and sometimes this COOH and R basically attached with the acetyl coenzyme for the, you can say that the many products. So as you guys all know, the acetyl coenzyme basically move to the Krebs cycle, and there the oxidative phosphorylation basically occur. As you guys all know, chemoosmosis, through which the ATP will be synthesized. So these basically product basically, you can say that, convert into the many forms through which the energy will be getting released, and this process basically occur when there is no sugar present. So this organic compound basically used to release out the energy. So we have discussed that that will enter in the urea cycle and become a part of a urea. Okay, so this was the, you can say that the